to a college, you have to have your own bed because you will be away for a while. Hi guys, welcome to part 2 of college. This is my room right now. Just relaxing because I don't really have to do it right now. I'm getting schoolwork to do. Nope. One day, 2 days, 3 days of no school. I'm sleeping under the Star Wars. You can't even see my head. Boop, boop. You could see my Mickey Mouse pajamas. They are comfortable when you lay under this blanket. Because it's so cold here. Oh, so we're just going to be spending the day in my blanket taking a nap. I'm going to be taking a nap. I gotta go. Bye.